Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasurely Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our February reveal for our 3 kits. If you don't know, Treasurely offers 3 kits, a scrapbook kit, a card tags and more kit, and a mixed media kit. And I'm here today to reveal all our kits for the month of February. We're going to start off with our scrapbook kit. And if you're interested in seeing what that is, then why don't we just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, first off, we've got, like I said, our scrapbook kit. And we're going to start with the embellishments first. At Treasurely, we love flowers in our kits. Our kits have a shabby chic romantic kind of feel to it, so we always have lots of flowers. And this month is no different. We've got a Prima vine here. And we've also got another pack of Prima flowers. You get 12 pieces in this pack. And then we've got some flowers from 49 and Market, and you've got another 12 pieces in here. So you get 3 full packs of flowers. And then you also get our custom cut laser chipboard. If you don't know, the first of 2021, Treasurely started selling chipboard. So you get our custom piece here, and it's actually 2 pieces. And this is a delicate rose. And this will be available in this, well, actually it should be available in the store now. So make sure you check out our store. Our website is www.treasurelykits.com. You check out the store, all the kits will be there, as well as you can check out our chipboard. You just go to chipboard and you click on a category and it will show you everything that's listed in that category. Next up, we have an ephemera pack that matches the papers this month. Our papers are from 13 Arts. So you get this full ephemera pack. The paper line is Carmen and these match. You've got 48 pieces in here. They're kind of small, so I don't want to take them out. I don't want to lose any before I start working on my project. But again, you've got 48 pieces in here that match the paper. We've also got stickers on an A4 sheet. These also coordinate with the paper. And they're stickers, but you can always attach these to some cardstock to make them a little more sturdy, or to turn them into like chipboard pieces. You can add them to chipboard scraps or cardstock. And I like that you can use these down at the bottom as little titles, and the hearts will be perfect to go inside your floral clusters. But this is the sheet that you get. Now let's get into these papers. Like I said, this is the Carmen line from 13 Arts. This was just released not too long ago, and you get 8 sheets. And it comes in a little pad, and we're just going to go through all the sheets. This first sheet, it's just so really pretty. These pinks and greens are so pretty. So it's the first sheet, and here's the back side to it. Here's our next sheet. And you've got this type on it, which is really nice. And then this back side, it's got some words on it. It looks like graffiti, and it's really textured with the bricks. You've got some more of the pink and green with the news type on it. More of the pink with the damask on it. This paper is just really pretty. It's really feminine, although you do have some texture on here, so you can get some masculine layouts out of it. See, like this one, it's really textured. Would also be nice for some travel layouts too. If you've got some pictures of some landscape or some architecture, this would be really nice. Again, this one's got some nice texture on it as well. And that back side of this is just absolutely gorgeous with the texture on it. This would make for a really nice grunge layout. And here's a nice green sheet, solid green sheet. And the back side of that, nice and floral, very pretty for some shabby chic stuff. And then again, we've got some more textured sheets. So this is a nice combination of papers in this pack. and we've got the back side and one more sheet to go through. So here's our back side, and this is our last sheet, which is really, really pretty. It's nice and textured, but it's got that softness to it as well. It's a very nice contrast. And then the back side of that one has got some cutouts for you, so if you don't want to use the one side, you've got some cutouts here. But again, remember, you've got your ephemera as well too, so you really don't have to use these cutouts, especially if you want to use this sheet. And looking at this, I think this is one of my favorite sheets in the pack. I just really like the contrast of the wood versus the softness of the flowers here. So that's going to be your paper pack and all your embellishments. This kit is $52. That includes US shipping only. If you are interested in this kit and you want a quote for international shipping, please just drop us an email. Again, the website is www.trejoliekits.com. Next up is going to be our cards, tags, and more kit, and I will explain that kit to you. Be right back. For our cards, tags, and more kit, we've got paper, we've got chipboard, we've got stamps, and this month for our cards, tags, and more kit, we've got like a little mini journal. You can make it an art journal, you can make it a travel journal, but we'll talk about it more after we go through the embellishments. First off, you've got this glass and metal embellishment, which is really cool because the glass ball attaches to the top of this. You can add something to it. You want to add some sequins or glitter or something and turn it into a shaker. And it's almost like a little stick pin, so you've got that pin at the bottom. Next up, we've got some mini flowers from 49 and Market, and you've got 18 pieces in here. You've also got a stamp, which is 6 pieces. This is from P13. It's a new paper line to us. These are new products to us from P13. So you've got some music notes. You've got a you and me. It says spring and bicycle and bloom. So this is really cute. Got a couple of little metal pieces here. You've got some wings and a heart. And you've also got a leaf, little metal charms. And you've got lots of chipboard. Again, this will be available in the store at the website at www.trejoliekits.com. But let's go through the chipboard so you can see what it is, because you've got 2 different sets here. The first set you've got are some mini borders. And let's start off with the 2 smaller pieces first. So you've got these 2 pieces. And then you've got 2 more pieces. Is that the same? And, oh, that one's the same. And you've got this last piece. So you've got 2, 4, 5 pieces. Those are double. Sorry about that. So you've got 5 pieces in the mini border set. And then you've got some corners. You've got 4 pieces in the corner set. So these are all to help you embellish your journal. Now let's go through the paper first. You've got a 6x6 designer pack of P13 paper. There's 24 sheets in here. So you've got 6 designs, but you've got 4 sheets of each design. Now let's go through these. On the cover, you've got some nice little cutouts. And then this is your paper that you've got. And this is double-sided. So you've got 1 design, 2, 3, and 4. And then you've got some tags, some little mini tags. And then you've got another sheet here that's got some more tags on the back of it. And then you start your designs all over again. So actually you've got 4 sheets of 6 designs, and then you've got 2 of the tags. But you get this whole pad. And then what you're going to get is this mini journal that I talked about. And this is also by P13. And it matches your paper. And on the inside of it, you've got just the blank pages. But you've got all this stuff to embellish your pages with. And you can turn this into a mini art journal. You can turn this into a mini travel journal, whatever you like. A little spring journal. How about a little garden journal? You know, you're ready to start gardening and you turn this into a little garden journal. Whatever you like, but you've got a nice little journal. And that's the thing about our cards, tags, and more kit. You can, this kit 1 month will be things for cards. The next month it could be for tags. It could be a mini album. Basically, this is our small paper crafter kit. If you like to do small paper crafts, then this kit is perfect for you. This kit retails for $42. That does include the shipping. And again, it is available on our website at www.trejoliekits.com. And all of this is available. You will also find the chipboard on the website. You will find the borders, the mini borders, under the section of borders, and the corners are listed there, I believe, under miscellaneous. So head on over to the website and check this out. Next up, we will have our mixed media kit. So we'll be right back with that one. Mixed media kit for the month of February. First, let me tell you about our mixed media kit. Our mixed media kit is a standalone kit as well, because we always include a project, so you can open this up and get to work right away with your mediums, and you can use them on a project. And make sure that you subscribe and like this video, and you hit your notifications to all. That way you're notified when we load videos, because we're always doing videos, especially with our mixed media kit, to show you how to use the mediums. And we're going to start off by talking about the mediums in this kit. We've got the liquid acrylic paints by Finnabar from Prima. This is the Art Alchemy, and they're the liquid acrylic, and we've got 3 colors. We've got one in ink black. We've got another one in deep turquoise. Here's the color on top. And then we've got another one in burnt sienna. So these are the mediums that we have. And our project that we have to go along with this is, we're going to start with, we've got this mini canvas. It's a 4x12 canvas. And then we've got some embellishments to go along with it. You've got some metal feathers, and there's 4 pieces in here. You've also got 8 pieces of mechanicals. These are also by Prima, and these are wings. You've got a pack of Prima flowers, and you get 9 flowers in here. And then you've also got one of our custom cut chipboard pieces. This is a laser chipboard, and I believe this one is in the store under borders as well. It's listed under there. You can always check our website again at www.trejoliekits.com, and you can go to the mixed media kit, and all the items that are in the kit are listed there, so you can find the exact name of this. I can't think of it off the top of my head, but it's there. And so this is our mixed media kit, and like I said, there will be tutorials on the on our YouTube channel here on how to use this on projects that are created by our designers. So make sure again that you like this video and you subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you don't miss an upload. And again, check out the website at www.trejoliekits.com. Our mixed media kit sells for $47, and again, that includes the US shipping. Drop us a note if you need to know what international shipping is. So this has been our 3 kits for February. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.